What's up, guys? I'm back again with another video. Remember this bucket? Yeah, we could still go in this cause yeah, it's so good. So New Jersey had a snowstorm. It was freaking slippery. It was raining and snowing. So look at this. These sneaks are like waterproof, but they're looking like they're wet right now. So let's just keep on walking. Oh yeah, and I gotta go show you a big freaking branch that fell. So I'm gonna go show you that right now. I'm just pass through this stupid water, and I just pass through this. And Jesus, let me just keep on walking, cause I'm a savage. Go anywhere, like a savage. I'm savageness, yeah. Savage. I broke that tree, by the way. I totally broke those. Big stick, and I don't want to go too close to it because it might break. Don't you see that on top? It's like hung. It's hung. Yeah, I got my snacks out here. Butterfingers and a Milky Way. So my freaking hands are cold right now, so damn, the street is crappy. So going back home so the freaking tree don't fall on me. Oh, that's where it came from. Bro! Oh my god. That's a freaking big tree. So going back. My hands are cold. So I'm going back inside right now. And I gotta use the back because that's where I came from. I came from the back. Guess what? I was in school yesterday. There's no school today because we had a snowstorm. So that's some kids did. Middle school and high school did. They had school. So not like my school. Stupid bird. Look like a stupid bird. Look like a stupid bird. Why are you flying out here? I told you don't come back here. So, just gonna try and find a seat so I can sit and eat my snack. And there's like barely anywhere. There's the whole place is covered in snow. But that's a place. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. And don't forget to leave a like. That's the same thing, yeah. That's the same thing. And subscribe. Tell all your friends about this channel and stuff. So see you in my next video. Peace out.